This is Prem. Welcome to the More Trading, More Earning program. Today you are going to office or standing in front of in your boss. It means you haven't invested in Nvidia share in the year 1999. In this video, we are going to look at the Nvidia story, the Nvidia IPO story, the Nvidia stock story. So Nvidia went for IPO in the year 1999 and one share cost is $12. So in this video I am going to assume that you invested $1,000 in the year 1999. The conversion rate of USD and the Indian rupee is 43 to 44 per dollar. So assuming you have invested $1,000, which means 44,000 in the year 1999 and received 83 shares of Nvidia. So how much you will be owning currently is what this story is all about. So you invested $1,000 and received 83 shares of Nvidia in the year 1999, and over the period of time Nvidia gave many stock splits. The stock splits are as below. June 27, 2000, Nvidia gave 2-for-1 stock split. So your 83 shares would have become 166 in June 27, 2000. In September 12, 2001, again Nvidia gave 2-for-1 stock split. So your 83 shares would have become 332 shares. In April 7, 2006, again Nvidia gave your 83 shares would have become 332 shares. In April 7, 2006, again Nvidia gave 2-for-1 stock split. So your 83 shares would have become 664 shares. In September 11, 2007, Nvidia gave 3-for-2 stock split. So your 83 shares would have become 996 shares. July 20, 2021, Nvidia gave 4-for-1 stock split. So your 83 shares what you purchased initially, now the total number is 3,984 shares. So invested $1,000, received 83 shares in the year 1999, and by 2021 you have got 3,984 shares just by not selling any of your Nvidia shares all through the year, and you kept as it is without doing anything. So you would have received 3,984 shares. The beauty of this is Nvidia as of 22nd March 2024, the share price is 942. So when they issued the IPO, the share price was $12 and the number of share received for $1,000 is 83, and now you will be owning 3,984 shares and the share price is 942. So the total value of the share is 37,52,928 in terms of dollar as of 22nd March 2024. If you convert that into rupees with the current exchange rate, which is $83, you would be owning 31 crore. And most importantly, last time when Nvidia touched $1,000, they gave the stock split. So if the stock performance at this rate, right now it is trading at 942, definitely Nvidia will cross that $1,000 mark soon. So there is high chances that there is a stock split soon, and again the stock may rise because of the stock split and easy availability of this stock. We don't know how much it is. It is 2-for-1 stock split or 4-for-1 stock split, we are not sure. But if it touches $1,000, there is a high chances, and it's only an assumption, there is a high chance they might consider for a stock split. So if you would have invested $1,000 in Nvidia in the year 1999, so you will be sitting with 31 crore now. That's why I said if you have not invested in Nvidia, then that's why you are going to office today. That is just for fun. But if you are invested in Nvidia in the year 1999, $1,000, the value of that is $1,000 is 31 crore. Thank you for watching my video.